I knelt with sword before her grace. A vow I swore in dusk embrace. Through war and flame I bore her name, yet silence met my loyal flame. Her kiss was cold, her smile a knife. She cursed my soul, she took my life. Steel met my neck beneath her throne, and still I whispered, "You're not alone." But death's embrace could not contain the storm that sleeps in blood and shame. Through time and dark I rose unbound, a ghost in lack, no mercy found. The years did rot, the world moved on, but hate remembers what love has done. Her laughter lost, her beauty pale, now trapped within my cursed veil. I watch her weep through endless days. Each tear of July lock away, and every night who dares my gate finds only steel and sealed fate. So sing, sweet dove, your soft despair. You gave me death, now breathe my air. No blade may break, no sun may shine. My oath was yours, now you